gradually popularized the use of automated assembly lines with a planned capacity of 50 million units. HealthPot, a multifunction electric kettle that combines boiling water and cooking, is popular in China, Japan, and Korea. The use of automatic health pots, high efficiency, and increased production capacity is committed to becoming the country's largest glass production base. The production of an automated production line increased production by 50%, while the defective product rate dropped from 5% to 1.5%. Automatic airtight detection, high-precision detection of product leaks. Automatically add water and heat to test the running status of the heating plate. Auto rotation test to detect if the product can be placed in multiple orientations and completed. Automatic withstand voltage test to check whether the installation of the product meets safety standards. About 3,300 health pots are completed by this line every day.